According to Hootsuite, Facebook has over 2.93 billion active users. Yes, you heard that right, billion active users. Not far behind, Instagram has more than 1.93 billion monthly active users as of October 2022. This large user base makes them a powerful option for businesses seeking to reach a wider audience. I'm Alejandra from Whiteshare Media, and in this occasion, I will be sharing 5 reasons why Facebook and Instagram ads are a powerhouse when they are combined. Massive reach. Let's start with the obvious, but one of the most powerful, a large user base. Advertising on these platforms that combined have over 4 billion active users give businesses the opportunity to reach a massive audience. This is especially valuable for companies that offer products or services that appeal to a diverse range of people. What about targeting? Facebook ads allows targeting user base on demographics including age, gender, location, and interest. However, they also offer more advanced options like targeting based on behavior, such as recent purchases or online activity. And one of the most interesting options available is the retargeting option, which allows businesses to show ads to users who have previously interacted with their companies. Instagram also offers targeting options based on demographics and interests, and also users who follow specific accounts or use specific hashtags. Another very effective targeting setting is based on their activity on the platform, such as users who frequently comment on posts or engage with specific type of content. Both platforms offer a wide range of targeting settings to help businesses reach the right audience at the right time and place. Different content formats. Instagram is a visually oriented platform ideal for showcasing products and services through beautiful and eye-catching formats. Images, carousels, videos, stories, reels, and shopping. Facebook is also a very oriented platform, yet it also gives room for more text-based content. It is perfect for businesses that display their products and services through catching visuals and share more about their products through engaging copies. This platform has different ad formats, including images, videos, carousels, collections, instant experiences, stories, and more. The combination of Facebook and Instagram allows businesses to create a well-rounded advertising campaign that showcases their products and services in a visually appealing way, while also displaying text that helps complement their visuals. Integrated ad management. Let's remember that Facebook owns Instagram, which also allows us to manage all ads in one simple platform called Ads Manager. It makes it extremely easy and convenient since you can optimize campaigns, collect data, track performance, and much more in one place. Campaigns under one roof. You can easily have the same campaigns with all settings, creatives, and ad copies under one roof. You don't have to create separate campaigns for every platform. By having Facebook and Instagram ads in one place, there's no need for multiple campaigns. You can use the same assets by just selecting to advertise the same ad on both platforms. No added effort for you or your team. Best practices. Define clear goals for your campaigns before jumping in to select the best approach, campaigns, formats, and settings to use. Explore the targeting options for both platforms to make the most out of all your ads and reach your ideal audience. Always keep track of your ad's performance and analyze data regularly to know your progress and define how to continue improving. Are you ready to give it a shot? These platforms offer a ton of creative options, from ad formats and targeting options to management tools that will help you reach and engage with your audience more effectively. So don't wait any longer. Get started with Instagram and Facebook advertising and watch your business grow. For more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and activate the notifications bell. Thanks for watching. See you next time.